Many English learners are confused between bring and take. These two words look similar but their meanings are different. In this video, I will give you explain bring versus take. I have divided the video into 4 parts. The first, I will give you the meanings and examples. Second will be the key differences. Third, quiz time. And the fourth, I will give you the easy trick to remember forever the differences. So welcome back to my channel Upgrade English Pro. So let's start with bring. We use bring when something comes towards the speaker or towards the place where speaker is. If the object moves in my direction, I use bring. If it comes here, we use bring. So let's understand by some examples. Bring water. Please bring me a glass of water. Bring food. She brought food for everyone. Bring your book. Can you bring your notebook to class? So let's look at take. We use take when something moves away from speaker to another place. So if object is leaving this place, we use take. So let's understand by some examples. Take this bag. Please take this bag with you. Take food away. Take the book home. He took the book home. So if it goes away, we use take. Now let's understand the key differences. The main difference between bring and take is direction. Bring means movement towards the speaker, take means movement away from the speaker. It is not about the object, it is about where the object is going. So let's understand this with the daily life situation. Situation number 1. Your friend is coming to your house. You say, please bring snacks. Why? Because the snacks are coming to you. Situation number 2. Your friend is leaving your house. You say, please take some snacks. Why? Because the snacks are going away from you. Look at the differences in these sentences. Bring me some water. The water comes to me. Take this water with you. The water goes away from me. Bring your friend to the party. The friend comes to the party. Take your phone outside. The phone goes away from this place. Let's play a quiz. Fill in the blanks. Please dash your iCard. Second question. Dash this box to a store. Third question. Dash me some tea. Fourth question. Do not forget to dash your bag. So let's find the answers. First question. Please bring your iCard. Second. Take this box to away. Third. Give me some water. Fourth. Do not forget to take your bag. Here is the easiest trick to remember. Bring means here. Take means there. If the object moves towards you, use bring. If it moves away, use take. So now you clearly know the differences between bring and take. Just remember the direction here or there. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thank you.